Herr Stefan.
Geht schon.
So this is an unboxing video for Recompute 33. He asked me if I make an unboxing video, so here it is. So, lot of styrofoam. Oh, holy sh! I can't even move it. Oh, what did you do to me? Oh, holy crap! A big, nice computer. A lot of styrofoam. And 3 weeks later, I'll catch some styrofoam. So, unboxing. Nice. It's exactly as described. No damages whatsoever. Only this little piece of sticker. Nice. So here. Nice keyboard, nice old keyboard. Little bit sticky piece, but it's okay. The back. Everything nice and clean. Oh, it's good. This one here. Oh, thank you. I'm glad to